the input output system. What is a file? In computer terms, file is a collection of data or information that has a name and location. Its features are similar to that of we use to store documents. A computer file can be used to store text, programs, images, etc. Now to read and write these files, we use streams. A stream is a sequence of objects that flows through communication. These sequence of objects can be in the form of bytes or any other object. File stream has two basic streams for input and output system to read from files and write to files. All the file operation, reading, writing, and closing the files are included in system.io namespace and system.input-output namespace. File stream class exists with file objects. Syntax for creating this object are file stream object name is equal to new. New is to initialize this file stream object. File name, mode, access, and share. File mode represent different file opening method. Like create will create a new file, create new will create a new file, but if already there is an existing file with the same name, it will give the error. Open is to open an existing file. Open or create will open the file if already existing, otherwise it will create a new one. Append is to append the data at the end of the file. So if a file already exists, it will put the cursor at the end of file, otherwise it will create a new one. Truncate is to delete the existing file. It will open existing file and truncate to zero size. File access represents read-write access file operation. It will provide read access or write access or both read-write access. File share shows the control access rights for other files. What other files can share from this file? Members of file share are same as read-write, and inheritable. Inheritable will allow sharing only to the child processor. Any other file which is not in the child processor will not be able to access the same file. None means sharing is not allowed. Now, a simple example of creating a file stream object is file stream fs. We created a new object fs is equal to new file stream. New is to initialize this file stream object. Name of the file with path. File mode dot open or create. So if already exists, it will open the file or create a new one. File access I have given read write, so I can write into and read from the file. Console.write file created. It will show the console file created. This file is created. Now we'll say in the run environment, it's showing a message file created as we write on the console, and the file is created with the path demo.txt. Further, we will learn advanced operations like reading and writing files in the text, binaries, and